Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to freeze rows and columns in Excel. If you find this video helpful, subscribe and like it, thanks a lot. For example, we need the first row of my table to be visible all the time. To do this, we need to select any cell in row number 2. I'll select the C2 cell, then we go to the View tab, hit Freeze Panes and Freeze Top Rows. As you can see, it works, the first row remains visible all the time. I can also freeze the first column. I select cell B4, click Freeze Panes, but now select Freeze the first column. So, that's done. The first column is also frozen. To undo the freezing, click the same button again and unfreeze panes. That if you want to freeze multiple rows or columns in Excel, it's important to select the correct cell before freezing. If I want to freeze the top 6 rows, I need to select the A7 cell in row number 7. After that, I go to Freeze Panes and select Freeze Panes. So everything above the selected row is frozen. And now the top 6 rows are always visible when I scroll down the sheet. And if you need to freeze 3 rows on top and 5 columns on the left, it's important to select a specific cell first. In this case, it's F4 cell, and then choose Freeze Panes and Freeze Panes. So everything above the 4th row and to the left of the 6th is frozen, and as you can see, the rows and columns stay in their places when scrolling down or to the right. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, leave them in comments. Have a nice day.